In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message to a user in your game. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find someone, open their profile options, and send a message confidently and respectfully. First, let's find the user you want to contact. The easiest way is often right in the game. When you see their username on screen, click it. That's perfect if you're already in the same match or lobby. If you're not in the same session, open your friends list and click their username there. This is handy because it reduces the chance of picking the wrong person. If you're not friends yet, use the search feature and type their username carefully. Double check spelling to avoid messaging the wrong user, and skim the results to confirm you've got the right profile based on their display details or icon. If nothing comes up, try a more precise spelling or wait a moment in case the list needs to refresh. Once you've clicked their name, a small profile pop-up should appear. From here, click their username again or look for the three dots. Those little dots often open additional options. Different interfaces place this menu in different corners, so take a second to spot it. If the pop-up closes too quickly, just click the name again. If nothing appears at all, make sure you're still connected and not in a restricted screen that blocks profile overlays. After opening the options, you're in the right place to interact with their profile. Now you're ready to send a message. Look for a button labeled message or an envelope icon that means the same thing. Click it and a chat window or message box will open. Type your message clearly and keep it respectful. It helps to add a quick context line, like why you're reaching out, so the person knows what to expect. Avoid sharing any personal or sensitive information, and consider proofreading before you send to make sure your tone is friendly and your request is clear. If the message button is grayed out or missing, the user may have privacy settings that limit who can contact them, or messaging may be restricted during certain in-game moments. In that case, try again later or consider using approved in-game communication methods. And that's it. Find the user by clicking their name in the game from your friends list or by searching. Open their profile options using the pop-up or the three dots. Then select Message and type your note. With a little practice, you'll be messaging the right people quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.